Hello everyone, it's time. And no more waiting, no more it's tomorrow. Do it now. Go to International Game of Whoop, click that registration and get signed up. And no more delays. Preseason is almost over. The real season is launching. Do it now. You don't need to watch the rest of the video. Just go to International Game of Whoop. Should be right in here. Or down in the video description, I'll put a link that makes it easy and clickable. Go over to the website and register. Go. You're still here. Okay, so I must convince you. If you have not seen any of my videos on this before, I think I've promoted this for 4 years straight. This will be my second video on this particular season. IGOW, or International Game of Whoop, is the one tried and true method where I think just about everyone who comes to this channel who has participated in IGOW will tell you it is the way to get better at flying whoops. Probably just better at flying. And you can win prizes. And you can connect with other pilots, people at your skill level and people at way higher than I can do skill level as well, and maybe get some tips and tricks on learning other things, or maybe a new quad to get or a new build to try out. You can win cash money. It's part of those prizes, and you don't even have to pull off the trick the best to win. Oftentimes it's random. You make an interesting video. Maybe you do the trick in a particular way. We've seen some of the preseason IGOW participants doing weird poses while they fly, making it more difficult in just holding the radio. Or fun videos where you have kind of a theme or a skit that kind of goes with your video. You don't have to be a top pilot to win. But you're going to get better. There's just no two ways about it. And now is the time. You need to go to International Game of Whoop. You need to click that registration. It doesn't cost you anything. And it's a very friendly and fun way of getting better at flying whoops. And then you have all those other bonuses that come with participating as well. Now, some have asked me why I'm not participating. I was in Season 1. And since then, I have just been promoting. I've also been judging. So if you're not aware, the top 10 videos from every week will get picked. Those are submitted to a panel of judges. We put scores on all those videos, and then those scores are averaged to select whoever the winners are, or the top, the ranking as it goes. And I can tell you that it is more than just a conflict of interest for me to do those things and participate. I have been asked about making maybe follow along trick tutorials, and I think that's an interesting bit. It would have to be something that I would probably want to add to my bag. Something very compelling for me, because, you know, balancing doing this sort of stuff and all the flying that I do and editing and recording and answering comments and those things, and doing trick tutorials along with IGOW, that might be a little bit of a time challenge, but I might be up for it, especially if something catches my eye. So now I've drug on a little bit longer, and you're still here. Why are you still here? Go to International Game of Whoop. Please, I implore you. This is one way to have fun, connect with others, win prizes, get better at flying whoops. There's probably a host of other reasons I have never mentioned of why you would want to go to the internationalgameofwhoop.com and sign up. But I can't think of any more. Those are my most compelling reasons. Please, go sign up. The new trick video for week 1, official week 1, will be coming out very, very soon. I think it'll actually be coming out within 12 to 24 hours of this video being posted. And you get started. Now, I have to admit, you can join later. Of course, if you join on week 2, you automatically get a letter. If you join on week 3, you automatically get a letter. So you're kind of limiting your opportunities to be involved. Of course, if you're really shy, you could not sign up. I don't know why you would, and just follow along. Maybe go over to Skittles' FPV site and his YouTube channel and subscribe and follow along and see all the new videos that come out launching the new IGOW tricks to be that part of the week's contest or challenge, and to follow along privately. But just sign up. InternationalGameOfWhoop.com. Click the link in the video description if you want to just click one instead of typing into your web browser. But I can't tell you anymore. Just go do it. I know that once you participate, even in a couple weeks, you will come back and say you were right. It was fun. I got to connect with other pilots who like to fly whoops as well. Good people helped me along the way. Maybe you win a prize. And in the end, you'll come out more than just a few weeks better whoop pilot. You'll becoming much better whoop pilot. And probably other quads as well. All right, I've gone on way longer than I planned, and you're still here. I appreciate your time, but you need to go. You got to get out of here and go over to internationalgameofwhoop.com. Link in the video description to make it easy.